I don't know if you saw on that video of me coming back from Spain, but I stopped and was putting air in the rear tyre on the BMW. I thought it was the valve, and then I've just been looking at it today. It's actually a little screw that I must have picked up just as I was coming up. And there's nothing wrong with these tyres, you know, the bike's only done 4,000, 5,000 miles, and you know, these are fine. So anyway, I'm going to whip that out, I think, and plug it. That's why you get these tubeless tyres. Makes me wonder whether there's another one now that I think about it. That'd be typical me, just to do one and then actually there's another one. Nope, let's go with that. So took the screw out and I've now just been reaming it a couple of times just to open the hole up a little bit. It was only a little screw. But anyway, and while that's going on, I am feeding the, let's do that, feeding the little strip of bacon through the, I don't even know what you'd call that, the plug applicator. And I'll put some glue on it now. So there's the strip of rubber and it's covered in glue. And I'm just letting that do its stuff for a minute, and then I'll whack it into here. And then I think the knack, if there is a knack, it's pulling this out so that the it splits that rubber bacon strip and plugs the hole. That's the knack. Let's see how we get on. Quick interlude at this point that I'm filming the next day. Once you've got the bacon strip, you know, the little strip of rubber, and it's got the glue on it, and you're forcing that into the tyre, that takes quite a lot to do. It's the rubber must be at least 10 mil, probably more, and it's nylon reinforced. So to force that piece of rubber through that's got glue on it, not lubricant, takes some force to put through. Pulling it out is dead easy because the applicator's got a split on the end, which I hadn't noticed before. But yeah, takes more force, more effort to push it through than I expected. Okay, so there it is, halfway in, and then the knack is to pull it out now. Get that? And then that was actually really easy, okay? So that was quite easy. And now I realise why. It's because the tool is designed to leave the plug in. Didn't know that. So this is a good reason for doing it right. So then what you do is you slice the rubber off on the outside. Then what I need to do is put some air in the bike, in the tyre. And I have a little compressor that I keep in this toolbox. Don't know whether you can see this toolbox. And it's only teeny tiny. And what I did was that I converted it so that it runs off. Let me take this off. I converted it so that it runs off the power adapter in the bike. So I'm just going to hook this up and we'll put some air into it. It's always better that you learn how to do these things. Like picking your bike up, you know, it's always better that you learn how to do that when you're at home rather than outside a cafe on the road up to Ronda with a load of young Spanish lads on sports bikes laughing at you. I'm trying to remember what it is at the back. 2.9 at the back? Pretty certain it is. I'll find out when I switch the bike on. Bike keys, there they are. Don't worry, I've got the doors open. So that's the little kit that I carry with me. And the other thing that I have in there is is like a little bag of zip blocks, and there's some of that JB quick weld and some nuts and bolts and things like that. And I have a spare cylinder for my hit air top, which is the airbag top, and then that little AA compressor, and it all fits in this. The Wunderlich one, I think, is like 250 quid, could be 200 quid. This is one off eBay and it cost me 50 quid, and it's really good. It's robust, fits more than you would expect. So there you go, not the prettiest thing, but it's easy to do, 20-minute job. Always good to do these things when you're at home so you can kind of get used to it, but gives me a little bit of confidence when I'm out that I'd be able to do it if I was out and stuck by the side of the road. Hope you find it interesting. It wasn't supposed to be anything to this video, it was just something that I thought I'd do just as it was in progress. Hope you're well, see you soon, take care.